CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yes, mobile mechanic.
Hi. I have a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee that stopped on me today, and I'm pretty sure it's the alternator or something that's killing my battery. Can y'all get to me today to take a look at it and possibly repair it?
Yes, sir. Where are you located?
And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief.
It's in a parking lot at the Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay. And you want somebody to come out today?
Yes, sir. Okay. And do you think y'all can get it repaired in the same day?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Well, what do I need to do?
Send a year, make, and model
CarHelpout.com.
in one text and an address in a separate text.
All right. All right. Do you see my number on here, or do I need to give it to you now?
I see it.
Okay. Yeah, you can text this number.
All right. So how long? I'll let you know when I'm on the way. So
Okay.
you can make it that way too.
Yeah, I can meet you up there. If you give me about 30 minutes, notice of when you're leaving, I can meet you up there.
Okay, sounds good.
CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Automotive Auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.